Hi everybody there. Welcome and welcome and welcome back. It's Gina, the Chameleon Girl. Today we're going to go ahead and make homemade strawberry shortcake. We're going to just put all the goodness and love that should go into it. We're going to get the cake mix going. We're just going to use a box cake mix. Any strawberry is fine, and actually any yellow cake mix is fine as well. You can even use white cake mix if you want to, but this is my preference. Now, we're going to go ahead. We're going to milk it. So today we're looking for a nice moist cake. I don't need it extremely dense because the way that it's going to all play out and come together. So there's a lot of ways to doctor up cakes, as we have talked about before. Today I'm going to doctor it up by using, instead of 1 whole cup of water, I'm using 3/4 cup of water. And instead of using a 1/2 cup of oil, I'm using 3/4 cup of oil. A lot of times I like to put pudding in mine, but today I'm not doing that. Pudding in the mix or anything. And then I'm going to add what the recipe calls for on the box, 3 eggs. We're going to have our oven warming up, and we're going to bake at 325 degrees, which is important I hope for you guys to remember. Never bake a cake at 350 because you end up with more brown ends, and that middle is maybe a little gunky depending on how your oven is. Just be safe. You're gonna still get the cake baked and it'll come out fine. So let's go ahead and give it a stir, a mix, a whisk. A lot of time when we hear a strawberry shortcake recipe is different. It'll be like angel food cake, or like a pound cake, and then you put some strawberries and whipped cream on it. That ain't what we're doing today. We're here for the real recipe, okay? So stick around, and we're gonna move to step number 2. Okay, so step number 2, we're going to go ahead and spray just a little square dish, because I'm not making a huge quantity. If I make a huge quantity, then it's going to be gone. It's because I know I'm going to eat it, and I got to watch out for what I'm eating lately. Okay, so now that you have greased your pan, you're simply just going to put your cake mix in there. You don't want no watery cake mix. You want it just a little thicker like that, right? Because that's what we not going to do. So there you go. And this pan, I feel like it's a 9x9, but it's square. Off to the oven, this pan goes. And we're gonna bake it because it's on 325 glass. It takes longer. So we're gonna check it at 32 minutes. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and cheat just a little bit today. We're going to use some sliced strawberries that are frozen. We're going to give them a dunk in there. We don't need a whole lot, so we're going to say 2 cups. Probably a little bit over 2 cups. And then we're going to add to that 1 cup of water. Now to that, we're going to add 3/4 cup sugar. So all we have is sugar, water, and strawberries. So now we're just going to stir the little concoction. Off to the microwave this goes for 10 minutes. Okay, let's move to the next step. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get us a box of pudding. And this just happens to be French vanilla, but it don't need to be that. But anyway, it's the small box, I believe. It's 3.4 ounce box. And you're gonna bust that open. And you're gonna put in half of that packet. After we have that half packet in there, we're gonna take a little whipped creamy. So this whipped cream is, let me see how big is it? 8-ounce whipped cream. And then we're gonna mix this all together. Okay, so you're gonna be nice and thick in there. Now, what we will do is check on our strawberries. We are back in full effect. We're gonna go ahead and now we have an 8-ounce of whipped cream that we're gonna just fluff. Now we're going to go ahead and dive into our cake that has fallen. That is good and delicious stuff. And we're gonna go ahead and get some layers on this. And kind of break it down. You'll see why. Like you're kind of pushing it on down in there. We're going to actually take our hand and press it down into the dish. And you want to give it as even as possible because you're going to have these layers. Okay? So you are done with that first layer as even as you can get it. So now you're putting on the Cool Whip and pudding mixture. I'll put that right on top of there. And you're going to make sure to pay attention to get it all the way to the sides. There's where we are looking. We're looking wonderful. We're now going to put our strawberries on top, and they're in simple syrup. Remember, because we put them in the microwave. We end up doing them for about 10 minutes. But we have let everything cool down before we start doing layers and this and that. Well, my daughter, one of them told me, they said the best part to them is the strawberries, so I added a little bit more than what I would want to add sometime. But anyway, you want to make sure you get some around the edges though. And now, what you're going to do is just take any knife and you're just going to puncture it throughout, but ever so lightly. Now, you're going to move on to the next layer of cake, and you're going to repeat steps 1 to 30. Let's get it. That the cake will soak up all the juicy goodness that is going up in here, because we are not done with making this. Okay, man. Now you're going in to add your, did we say it was 8 ounces of Cool Whip beef? Yes, 8 ounces of Cool Whip is what we're going to go ahead and add on there carefully. So now we're going back in with some more strawberries. Something is going on with my arm today, guys. Maybe y'all can notice. I don't know. I know people be noticing negativity. We gotta be lights. We gotta be shining lights. Okay, kind of give it a nice little drizzle. Nice drizzle, simple syrup all over the top. And that's where we want it to be. Homemade strawberry shortcake to die for. People be fighting over this, and there's only 5 of us. I ain't gonna be sitting up there eating it all out. Not today, Sing. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in and taste it. We're going to reintroduce Riley. She kind of like the middle child of the younger ones, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, of the minors. So we're gonna get us a plate, and then she's gonna grab a spoon. So anyway, how big of a piece you want? Are you a strawberry person or filling or just all of it?
Just all of it. But...
Just try again. Don't give up on it. If you want to do something, just try again. This one will be good, good. I can tell. More, a little bit more. Just a
strawberry.
More strawberries. Oh, there's plenty of strawberries in that middle section.
But that big strawberry, please.
I asked you, what's your favorite part?
Mom, I said all of it. Wait, that's too much.
Well, there's plenty of strawberries still out there, I promise.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay,
so here we are. Now let's get the next taste tester. The next taste tester is going to be off camera, but she gonna be. Okay.
Ooh.
Hitting hard. Like is that what the kids say, or did they change their saying today? Like they do every day, and then the moment you say something, then they're like, "Oh, that's last week's." Look at all that strawberry. You got some strawberries?
Here, that's enough for me. Mom, that's enough.
That's enough for you? Okay. Where's the Okay.
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 10 out of 10. 5 out of 5. You can bring it to like a barbecue or any cookout.
I think it's more like that, like coming up for the warmer weather. But everybody used to love when my mom made this. She used to make the heck out of this. This right here, this was her thing.
Or you just keep it to yourself and eat it. Don't gotta bring it to nobody.
No, yeah, I'm not eating all that by myself.
No, I'm just saying like how I was saying.
Let
you
me
bring it to
taste
somewhere,
it.
you just keep it and eat it.
I don't want too big a piece, but I do want enough. Yeah, this is one of them desserts that's gone in 60 seconds.
It literally is because I'm done.
You said what, sweetie?
I'm done.
Oh, it was good, dear. Yummy, yummy, yummy. My neck is so crooked, y'all. I'm surprised I ever was able to make this video. But anyway, there's how your strawberry shortcake will appear to disappear in your belly. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Mmm. Mmm. And then what happens is then when you gotta refrigerate it, you gotta put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. And after that, everything's just together for sure. Like, it's like conjoined quintuplets. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Okay. Well, anyway, guys, this is a good dessert. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as us and my family and my church family and everybody we make it for. So, thank you for watching. God bless. And y'all know the favor.
Like,
Comment,
share,
and subscribe. God bless.